Consumer goods and banking sector. Let's look at the current status of the companies. We'll discuss Manai Corporation, Almira Corporations. They are on the consumer retailing and hypermarkets. Some of the banks we'll discuss in this segment as well. Manai Corporation, the company covers main activities includes vehicles, heavy equipments, systems of IT, information technology and engineering services, travel, examination facilities, and management, consumer goods and medical equipment, oil and gas, and the representation of the facilities. It's a listed enterprise. The price as on date is 2.98. Earning per share and other things will, based on the profitability, will be decided. Price to book value is 0.74. The 9-month performance is a net loss under 99 million as against 82 million profit for the previous year. The year-end performance is yet to come. 9-month performance, the revenue growth has been flat. However, direct cost, general administrative expenses and depreciations have surged, contributing to the loss during this period when compared to the previous year. Now, Almira, the company's main activities include trading of all consumer goods, food, electronic and electrical materials of different types of ownership and management of the different branches. It's a listed enterprise. The price is 20.8, EPS is 1.05, price to earning is 19.81, price to book value is 2.97, dividend yield is 4.32. Its net profit of 209 million compared to the previous year, 186 million. So it's commercially doing reasonably well. Sales growth has gone up by 14.13%. Profit growth is around 14.3%. Net profit growth is around 12.3%. Surge in general administrative expenses 12.7%. Earning per share is 1.05 and previous year was 0.93. Board of directors have recommended dividend. Profit is there, so they are recommending a dividend of 0.9 Qatar Riyal for each share. Qatar National Bank, when it comes to banking sector, the giant, established in 1964, is the largest financial service institutions in Qatar, Middle East and Africa region. QNB Group's presence through its subsidiaries and associate companies extend to more than 31 countries across 3 continents, providing comprehensive range of products and services for institutions and individuals. Total number of employees more than 29,000, serving over 20 million customers, operating through more than 1,100 locations with an ATM network of more than 4,300 machines. As on date, it is 16.68. EPS is around 1.19. Price to book value is 1.67. Price to earning is around 14 times. Dividend is 2.69. The profit, 12 billion in comparison to the net profit of 14.3 billion for the previous year. Earning per share 1.19 and previous year 1.45. In addition to the proposed dividend distributions, cash dividend of 0.45. Improve efficiency, cost income ratio from 25.9 to 24.3. Non-performing loans to gross loan amounted to 2.1%. Additional 5.8 billion riyals in respect of loan loss provisions as a precautionary measure they have taken as prudent. The next one is Qatar Islamic Bank, one of the strong balance sheets. Qatar Islamic Bank was established in 1982. The bank conducts its domestic business through modern branch network, private banking centers, affluent banking centers, as well as ladies banking centers. The bank has established an international presence in key markets so as to serve the cross-border needs of its customers, as well as to develop a focused presence in geographies with high interest in Islamic banking services. That is, profit, instead of the word interest, they have share in profit. Customers and the bank relationship is Sharia based principles of profit sharing. The market price is 15.72, EPS is around 1.21, price to earnings is around 12.99, price to book value is 1.75, dividend yield is around 2.54. The profit is around 3,065 million. Previous year is around 3,055 million. Earning per share 1.21 versus earning per share previous year 1.21, in addition to the proposed distribution of cash dividend 0.4. Financing activities 4.7%, customer deposit growth 5.8%, general administrative expenses 1%, cost income ratio 20%. Let's move on to CBQ. Incorporated in 1974 as the first private bank in the country, commercial bank is today one of the leading financial institutions in Qatar that continues to serve a very important role in driving innovation, rising service standards in banking across the region through investments in new technology, a clear focus on customer and prudent management, expanding its geographical footprints. Commercial bank is 100% owner of Alternative Bank in Turkey, a strategic partnership with National Bank of Oman and United Arab Bank. The bank is primarily engaged in conventional banking, brokerage services and credit card business, and also operates the exclusive Diners franchise in Qatar and Turkey. As far as the market price is concerned, 4.325, earning per share 0.27, price to earning is 16 times, price to book value is around 0.865, dividend yield is around 2.31. Net profit 1.3 billion, previous year 2.02 billion. Earning per share we discussed in addition to the proposed dividend. The dividend is important, cash dividend of 0.1. Cost income ratio 25.9, reduced from 28.3. Investing in technology to streamline operations. Gross loan the provision to gross loan, I should say, 1.2 billion, up by 51% because of the COVID-19 related model increases, the ECL, expected credit loss. They also had a good recovery this year. The customer loans are advanced up by 9.9%. Net interest income for the group is 4.6%. Non-interest income group decreased by 17.8%. Let's come to Doha Bank. Inaugurated in 1979, domestic and international banking through individuals, commercial, corporate, and institutional clients through 4 basic groups: wholesale, retail, international banking, treasury, investments. Let's look at the price, 2.28, earning per share is 0.16, price to earning 14.25, price to book value 0.76, dividend yield 3.29. Profit 703 million comparison to the previous year profit of 754. Earning per share we discussed 0.16, previous year's 0.17, dividend distribution 0.075. Net interest in the interest income due to drop in interest expenses, increase in impairment of loans and advances, improvement in issuance of vertical reduction expenses. Fitch affirmed Doha Bank rating A, outlook stable, platinum experience with new premium Lulu MasterCard credit card. Continues to achieve very high standard in terms of IT service management, ISO 20000. Shark Insurance has come up with a better profitability amidst COVID-19. So these are the credentials of Doha Bank. These are some of the banks we'll continue to discuss in the coming days, other listed enterprises in Qatar Exchange.